today, and today's episode we're having another side of Fantastic Adventures. In today's episode of Fantastic Adventures, we are joined by Reese. He's just getting food, it looks like. Hi, Reese. But today's episode will be building a furnished room. But first, I'm gonna go get a dog. I'm gonna get a dog. See who we're taking today. And we are taking Boris, it looks like. So let's take Boris on our journey today. There you are, Boris. Come with me, Boris. Don't push all the dogs. Boris. At least she wasn't as bad as one of them. But I'm going to show you Shark Mart. It's got a bit of a change to it. And it has a face of Sharky Wave on it. Glasses, moustache and a hat, but yeah, that's the inside. Nothing really changed. But today's episode would be building in my house actually instead. We're going to be building a furnished room instead. Seeing as the we ain't got anything really to build except in the next video I'm probably going to be building something very cool. I don't know if it'll be as cool, but there's an enchantment room, the swimming pool. I'm going to show you inside. This is a swimming pool. Here's the mechanical room. I built that that, and then machines is down here. The time machine. I broke it. Oof. Yeah. So basically, this is the Japanese garden, and then this is the guest bedroom, and right next to that will be the furnished room, which I'm going to have. It's all done already, like all dug out. So yeah, I think it's all dug out at least. So I'm just looking at my design. Yep. So I want all of the lava. And I'm going to put it all in this square, like this. And then I'm going to put some quartz pillars next to that and stuff. So it goes there. Then I want some glass inside. I bought enough materials. I don't know about furnaces, but I bought enough materials for the walls and roof and stuff because, as you saw, I bought the exact amount. Okay. Why did I place that there? It's meant to be up here. But we might build an airport in the next video because that's going to be like right behind the football pitch and stuff. So yeah. And I think that's gonna, the airport's gonna fill up so much, and then the skyscraper might go over there as well. Yeah. Oh god, I hate placing it in the wrong place. So yeah, the walls are gonna be stone bricks. And then basically, in every middle of the stone bricks and stuff will be because that's the front door, you can't put furnaces there, but in this wall there'll be furnaces. I'm just doing lines. Yeah, that's the Japanese garden right there. I don't get out in here. Exact right place. Nope. Oh really? The fire! There we go. Here we go. Fill these walls in. all the way up to the top. I don't know if I will have enough furnaces, you know. And the side one. So this is basically where I'm going to do all my cooking and stuff, seeing as I haven't got a furnace room and stuff. Fill this all in. So yeah, just going to all fill in with that. Yeah. Do the exact same on this one. Oh, I ran out. Oh well, I might be able to do a different design. Yeah, I'm going to do this. Yeah, I'm probably going to fill these in with this like this, and then so I can hopefully have enough. Reese, can you come and bring me some furnaces, please? I need 3. Yeah, okay, please. Just please. I'm going to put crafting tables here and here. Actually, yeah, I'm going to fill these up the top with some stone bricks. Oh God, why? Oh, actually, oh well, that still work. Yeah, it's just like easy and stuff. I'm finishing a stone slabs. I just realised stone slabs are easier to get than stone bricks because stone bricks use like so many of them. There we go. Ah! Thanks for the furnaces. Thank you, Reese. Right, there we go. I can fill those in. So that's the furnace room done. So I'm gonna go put some torches real quick. And that is the furnace room done. So yeah. I'm gonna go to the dog house, check on my dogs. Yeah. And I will probably be able to show you the aquarium again. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the aquarium again to show the thingy-majiggy. I'm going to show you Coxie's thing, little Ashton's thing. Yeah, let's just say Coxie, we call him Coxie because we just like his name's Coxie, and well, we that's his surname, so we just call him by his surname. So yeah, so it's Ashton Coxie, but it's Ashton Cox, but Ashton Coxie rather we call him. Right, I'm back. So I hope you guys did enjoy the episode of Fantastic Adventures. Have a lovely rest of your days. Good. Bye!